Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. I am Priyanka and a very warm welcome to Stories We Love. So guys, before I dive into the video, I have a very exciting news to share. We are running a contest. To enter this contest, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and comment down below what would you like to see from us next, and that's it, just two simple steps. We will be announcing the winner on 15th of March, so mark the date and good luck. Now that being said, let's get straight to the video. So today I'll be showing you 10 must-have holiday outfits that you can rock this summer. Okay, so let me start with this olive green wide leg jumpsuit. So yeah, I still remember I bought this jumpsuit on the first week of March 2020 and the lockdown started on third week of March. I was so hyped about this jumpsuit and wanted to wear it on my trip, but yeah, we all know that did not happen. Okay, so apart from that, I really like this jumpsuit. You know, it fits my body very well, and as it is high-waisted, it gives my body, proper dimension and makes me look tall. Okay guys, so the next outfit is tube top and culottes. Guys, you really need to have culottes in your wardrobe because it is such a staple and such a versatile piece of clothing, and you can literally pair it with anything, a tee, strappy top, or literally anything. So yeah, it looks very good and it is easy breezy and flowy, and that's what you want during summer. Okay guys, so moving on to one of the most basic outfit during summers, that is tee and shorts. Like literally, you pair it with sneakers, you pair it with flip-flops. It looks so good, and even though you did not put any efforts, it looks so chic. Though it is very basic, it looks so chic. Okay, so the next summer staple is this maxi dress. I love wearing maxi dresses because you don't need to worry about the bottoms. Just put it on and you're good to go. And what else can I say about it? It just speaks for itself. It looks so feminine, it looks so good. Basically a summer staple, like literally. Also guys, just want to put it out there, some of my outfits are Pinterest inspired and I love using Pinterest. Let's just say every girl love Pinterest. So yeah, I'll be putting the Pinterest picture here so you can see and compare for yourself. I have been seeing this outfit all over Pinterest and I really love how it looks. It looks so flattering on your body. Basically, you need to tie a knot over your bust and pair it with high-waisted pants and you're good to go. It looks so chic, and you can pair it with some flip-flops or sleepers, take a bag, a hat. Okay, so the next outfit is this tropical print romper. So romper during summers are very cute and it is very versatile, but make sure you do not wear very tight rompers. Rather go for short rompers. Also, people who don't like to show too much of skin over your shoulders or legs, you can always pair it with a jacket, or if you don't want to show a lot of leg, you can pair it with very thin cotton pants. So the next outfit is Pinterest inspired. I've seen people wearing monochromatic outfit and then tying a long sleeve sweater or something around their neck. It looks so good and it looks so 90s street style fashion. So you can try this as well. So guys, the next outfit is this very cute and beautiful white lace dress. If you don't have one, you need to get one because it looks so good, and think of wearing this on beach. It's such a good combination, like running around beach wearing this. It looks so good. Also, the back detailing, I love the back detailing. Okay, so the next one is this black cami top and beach pants. Again, very basic, and I think everyone have a basic black cami top and some beach pants. Just put it together and it looks so good. It is very big. Also, you can dress up or dress down. Like if you want to dress up, you can wear heels or wedges, or if you want to dress down, you can wear sneakers, shoes, anything. Okay, so the next and the last outfit is mom jeans and white tee. One of the best combination for summer, and you can literally pair this with some sneakers and put on a waist bag and you're good to go. It looks so good. Even though it is basic, it looks so chic and very stylish. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you love this video, and I also hope that you have already hit the subscribe button and commented down below. If not, make sure you do it now so you can enter the contest. Also, we will be announcing the winner on 15th of March, so stay tuned.